If you haven't updated the software for your QuietComfort Earbuds 2 yet, you aren't experiencing everything that makes them so incredible. In this video, we'll show you how to install any available software updates to keep your earbuds working their best. First, it's important to note that the earbuds and charging case are updated separately. The earbuds are updated wirelessly through the Bose Music app, and the case is updated through a computer using a USB-C cable. Anytime you open the Bose Music app and connect your earbuds, the app will automatically download any available updates. Once downloaded, the app then transfers the update to your earbuds, which can take up to 45 minutes. You can use your earbuds and mobile device normally during the transfer process. You can leave the Bose Music app and play music, and if you have app notifications enabled, we'll let you know when the update is ready to install. If you place the earbuds back inside the case, this will pause the transfer. The transfer will resume the next time you connect them to your device. If you experience any issues, such as the app freezing or the transfer stopping, force close the Bose Music app and try again. When you reopen it, the over-the-air update should resume normally. Once it's finished transferring, tap Install Update. Tap Update Now and follow the app instructions to complete the update. Open the case and make sure the front light glows white. If it glows amber, you'll need to charge your case before installing the update. When you're ready to install the update, place both earbuds in the case and close the lid. The app will lose connection to your earbuds, and the case light will blink white while the earbuds are updating. Keep the lid closed while they update, which can take up to 3 minutes. Once the update is done, the case light will stop blinking, and your earbuds will be ready to use. Take the earbuds out of the case and place them in your ears. You should hear a tone. If not, keep the earbuds in your ears and wait up to 2 minutes for the earbuds to reboot. If you still do not get the connection tone, place the earbuds back in the case and close the lid for 5 seconds. Remove the earbuds from the case, place them back in your ears, and try again. Okay, now let's update our charging case. On a computer, go to btu.bose.com. Follow the instructions to download and install the Bose Updater app. Once it's installed, connect your charging case to your computer using a USB-C cable. The Bose Updater will identify your charging case and let you know if there's an update available. If an update is available, click Update Now to install it. You're all set. For more help, visit our support site.